Alright, I'm extremely bored right now, so I'm just gonna show the connections on the back of my computer for anybody who wants to watch. First of all, here we have our monitor. Down here, USB, we have our Microsoft optical mouse. Then here we have SPDIF, which is not connected. Here we have our LAN, Internet, Ethernet on top. Underneath that, we have the connection that goes to the webcam. And then next to that, we have FireWire and eSATA ports, which are not being used. Next to that, we have two more USB ports, one of which is used for my digital camera. Then we have our integrated 7-channel audio right here, which is being used up, the 5.1 by the Logitech X540. Finally, down here we have our DVI to analog, I believe that's called. And then we have our 22-inch widescreen Westinghouse LCD monitor connector right there. And there's 7600 GT. That's about it. Boring video. If you watched it, thanks. If you have a comment, go ahead and leave it. If it's dumb, please don't leave it.